On June 18, 1981, representatives of the governments of Antigua and Barbuda, the Commonwealth of Dominica, Grenada, Montserrat, St. Kitts and Nevis, St. Lucia, and St. Vincent and the Grenadines signed the Treaty of Basseterre, establishing a new organization for cooperation among their countries, the Organization of Eastern Caribbean States, or OECS. It replaced the West Indies Associated States Council of Ministers, which was devised by the UK government in 1967, under which the countries worked together in civil aviation, tourism, the judiciary, monetary matters, and relations with CARICOM. OECS has widened to include 5 associate members, including Anguilla, the British Virgin Islands, Martinique, Guadeloupe, and Saint Martin, creating a regional body of 12 member states. The OECS member states continue to benefit through cooperation in education, the environment, healthcare, and tourism, among other development areas. Through the revised Treaty of Basseterre in 2010, the 7 founding member states have also formed an economic union aimed at promoting faster growth and development among themselves. The governing body of the OECS is the OECS Authority, consisting of the head of government of each member state. It is supported by the organs of the OECS, including the Council of Ministers, an Economic Affairs Council, the OECS Assembly, and the OECS Commission. The OECS Commission is the secretariat of the OECS and is headed by a Director General. OECS integration, uniting for a brighter future for all our citizens. For more information, visit www.oecs.int.